This inflatable hot tub arrived quickly and was easy to set up. We used a large piece of rubber mat and a folded-up solar pool cover under it for added cushion and safety from the ground. We have used it every day and it has helped with my husband's aches and pains as well as with my neuropathy in my legs. Keeping the chemicals balanced has been easy, but don't forget to have what you need ready to go. We keep the heater on all of the time so it is always ready to go, but the initial heat up took about 24 hours. This was worth the investment at this point. We will take it down for the winter because it is not meant for temps under 40 degrees Fahrenheit. We might figure out a way to use it in the basement for the winter. Well built, easy to install and maintain, nice product for the dollar. "3 days in and I could not be happier with this purchase. Exactly what I needed and delivers exactly what I expected. So far so good. Love it. I thought the pump was bad, all along it was my cord, so make sure you use a very good extension cord, and cover it up, the temperature will escape even though it can be hotter. Plus, who wants bugs? P. South, get the square trade warranty, they will back it up." The hot tub constantly turns off every few days? That could be the extension cord I'm using? I have not had time to buy another cord. The lid won't hold air, must have came with a hole. Otherwise I like it. I cannot say enough good things about this hot tub. We absolutely love it. We built a small deck around ours and have used it almost daily since July when we bought it. It's very easy to take care of, super easy to set up. My husband did have to run a separate plug for it, but I assume if you don't have much running on one breaker, you'll be just fine. Best $400 I've spent. First, the instructions aren't very clear, but still wasn't hard to set up. Build quality seems great so far. It is warmer here outside right now, so water heated up quickly to 104 degrees. When turning on the bubbles, the temperature did drop, but only by 2 degrees. I imagine when it's colder outside it will probably have a little trouble staying at that temperature. Works great, and I love it, but the only drawback is the bubbles. They are super vigorous and there's no way to turn them down. Glad I made the purchase. So far it's a great buy, a little cheaper made than I expected, but it seems to have a better heating system set up than its competitor Intex. This portable spa is a godsend. I set it up on my outdoor screen patio. It's over 100°F outside all summer, so I wanted a private pool to keep cool during summer and of course, turn the heat on at winter. I love it. It was simple to set up, though the instructions were poorly designed at best, but I figured it out. Sturdy construction, padded floor, and the bubbles are amazing. I definitely recommend this spa. I am pleasantly delighted with this Coleman portable inflatable hot tub/spa. Heats up to 104. It been 2 months since we bought it here from Amazon. Came early. Easy to set up. Okay, great on our patio. We used puzzle piece matting from Freegra Harbor store to cushion the area under the spa. It's great AR night when I get off from my late at night UPS job. This spot is more for 2 adults. Or 4 children. My only regret is I wish I'd bought the 6-person model. But still very happy with it otherwise. It's great you don't need a 220 plug setup. Click on the link below to see price.